The $500 survival examples. Welcome back to the Wealth 2026 project. You have hit the floor. Your system has crashed. Now, you must act like a liquidator. You have $500 a month. To survive and rebuild, you need three things: a low-cost roof, manageable utility friction, and a digital connection to the global economy. Most people fail here because they try to tough it out in expensive cities. The proactive executor leaves. They use data to find the path of least resistance. In the 2026 economy, rural U.S. internet has stabilized through satellite and government expansion, but costs vary. In the Ozarks and Appalachia, you are looking at $130 to $160 for basic power and $70 for Starlink or local fiber. In the Mississippi Delta, utility costs are among the lowest in the nation, often staying under $120 for a small footprint. If you cross the border, the math changes entirely. In Mexico or El Salvador, $500 often covers your rent, your lights and high-speed fiber with money left over for food. This is not a vacation. This is an operational reset. Let's look at case study number 1, the Young family. They chose the Mississippi Delta. They found a lot lease for $250. Their total utility and internet load came to $180. This left them with $70 of strategic capital. By mid-2026, they used that surplus to buy a small solar array to lower their power bill even further. They didn't feel poor, they felt efficient. Now, look at case study number 2, the single executor. They moved to El Salvador. Their $500 covered a studio apartment and 50 megabits fiber. Because their costs were locked, they spent 100 hours a week on their laptop. They didn't wait for inspiration. They used the low-cost environment to force a comeback. Here is your 2026 survival table. Study the numbers. Identify your target. Execute the move. Here is your 2026 survival table. In the Ozark Plateau of Missouri and Arkansas, an RV lot or rural rental runs a total survival floor of $430 to $480, with $180 in utilities and Starlink internet speeds. But Mississippi Delta offers small rural lots for a floor of $395 to $450, including $145 in utilities and fixed internet. In the Rust Belt fringe of Ohio, room shares or studios hit the $500 limit exactly, with fiber internet and $160 in utilities. Moving to the high plains of Kansas and Nebraska, declining town rentals floor out at $450 to $500 with mixed internet speeds. Eastern Kentucky and West Virginia mountain cabins or trailers sit at $475 to $500. International options provide even lower floors. Veracruz, Mexico offers studio apartments with a floor of $340 to $400 and high-speed fiber. Quetzaltenango, Guatemala, guest houses floor at $330 to $380. San Salvador apartments range from $400 to $450. Cayo District, Belize rural casitas range from $410 to $460. Finally, shared housing in Tegucigalpa, Honduras offers a survival floor of $335 to $390. This is the transition from 2025's financial drowning to 2026's systemic survival. You are not a victim of the economy. You are an arbitrageur of your own life. Once you have secured your $500 base, panic ends. The machine restarts. The climb back to level 7 begins now. Welcome to Wealth 2026.